Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by REC Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, REC Limited is a Maharatna public sector enterprise and it's a NBFC company. So they have released recruitment notification for various posts. So in finance and accounts discipline, at serial number 9, there is a vacancy for Deputy Manager Finance and Account. Friends, it's a E4 grade vacancy. Here the pay scale will be in the range of 70,000 to 2 lakh. There are total 2 vacancies for Deputy Manager, out of which 1 vacancy is for unreserved category candidate and 1 vacancy is for EWS category candidate. Upper age limit is 39 years. Here the qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. Friends, here your post qualification experience required is 9 years post qualification experience, and you should have a CTC of 15 lakh or above, then only you are eligible. And experience asked is in the field of financial institution, scheduled bank, commercial bank, NBFC, public sector organization, central government, state government, or multilateral organization and other institution. So if you are having a 15 lakhs and above CTC and 9-year post qualification experience, you are eligible to apply for this post. Then at serial number 10, there is a vacancy for assistant manager finance and accounts. It's a E3 grade vacancy. Here you will be in the pay scale of 60,000 to 1,80,000. There are total 2 vacancies and both vacancy for EWS category candidate. Upper age limit is 35 years. Here you need to have 5 years post qualification experience with a CTC of 12 lakh and above. Then only you are eligible. And experience asked is same as that of above deputy manager post. Then at serial number 11, there is a vacancy for officer finance and accounts. It's a E2 grade vacancy and you will be in the pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000. There are total 2 vacancy. 1 vacancy is for unreserved category candidate and 1 vacancy is for ST category candidate. Upper age limit mentioned is 33 years. Here you need to have 3 years post qualification experience, the minimum CTC of 10 lakhs per annum, and experience asked in the same field as that of about 2 finance vacancies. Here CTC requirement is also mentioned, so do make sure that you are having a CTC of minimum this much, then only you'll be eligible. Just having the experience and not the desired CTC, then it won't consider your application. Now compensation package, as I already mentioned, apart from the basic pay, you'll be paid DA, HRA, company accommodation, perks and perquisites as per the company's rules and policies. And for work experience, they have mentioned that candidates who are working in government organization, PSC, public sector, bank, etc. having CD or IDA applicable pay scale must have minimum 1 year experience in the immediate lower pay scale, that is should be presently working in a 1 scale of pay below the post applied for. So if you are working for E4, then you should have at least experience in E3, then only you will be eligible. And teaching experience, period of sabbatical, extraordinary leave will not be counted toward your work experience. Then there are certain age relaxation for reserve category candidate. If you are applying based on SC/ST category, then 5 years age extension is provided. And cutoff date for age and experience is 31st December 2024. Now selection procedure, very important. And selection will be based on written test and interview carrying weightage of 85% and 15% respectively. So 85% written test will carry weightage and interview will have 15% weightage. And in case number of applications are high, then they can shortlist candidate with the highest criteria than minimum eligibility. Now format of exam is not mentioned by them. How to apply? They have mentioned that you need to make an application fee of rupees 1,000 and candidate belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, PWBD, ex-serviceman and internal candidate are exempt from making online application. And how to apply? You have to apply through online mode by visiting website of the company under career section. There you will find all the detail plus step-by-step process is mentioned in this notification. You can check them and fill the form accordingly. Now important dates, friend. Online application are already started from 11th December 2024 and last date of making online application is 31st December 2024 up to 6 PM. So by this date you need to fill your application form if you are meeting the eligibility and age criteria. So friends, if you wish to apply for a Maharatna NBFC company, then you should give it a try and apply for this post. You will get a good exposure working in a government company. So do give it a try. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.